How to trim or cut a video in Capcut. Trimming or cutting a video in Capcut is easy, so simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Capcut app on your device. Once inside the Capcut app, you can see New Project option available there. You can simply tap on the new project and select the video you want to edit, or simply tap on the video that is saved in your Capcut timeline. Once you import the video into your Capcut editing section. Now, once you have selected the project, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Now all you have to do is, once you select the video clip, drag the white handles at the beginning or end of the clip to trim it. You can also move the playhead to where you want to cut and tap split. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.